How to mention someone on your post on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mention someone on your Quora post easy and fast. So first thing, go to Quora. Now create a post from here and then go to the create post option, and now let's say that you want to mention someone, for example, hey, and click here on this little option. Click on the at icon right here, and now choose the person that you want to mention and click on the name. For example, I'm gonna mention music and click post, and it's mentioned successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.